Welcome to the Den of Tools.
Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the old Den of Tools. And today we got some top picks for you for last minute gift ideas. These are all going to be online and deliverable to you by Christmas in most cases. I think there's one that's kind of iffy. We'll talk about it. But these are like for the tool guy or gal or grandson or grandfather in your life, granddaughter, grand labradog, I don't care. For the tool person or tool bear in your life. These are your top choices to get by Christmas so you don't have to go out in the cold. So let's jump into it, shall we? First up is one I've talked about a whole bunch, which are these brush pads for your power drill. These things, I can't talk enough about them. For cleaning grills, for cleaning bathtubs, for cleaning anything. They just go to town. They're fabulous. And for $19, as you can see, I've personally ordered. This is the set that I use myself. These things are fantastic here. And these are all guaranteed to arrive by, I think, by the 18th. Yeah, most of the stuff is going to be December 18th is the delivery time. So it's going to get close. But, and of course, with everything going on, you never know. But these are your best chances to get them by the holidays here, by Christmas. So anyway, 15-piece drill brush attachment set, scrub pads, sponge, buffing pads, power scrubber, brush, the extended handle thing, that's nice too. Anyway, as I said, I've talked about these enough. If you don't know what these are good for, you're missing out. Look, they even have they're color-coded, tells you what they're good for. Tons of ideas on what you can use them on. They're fantastic. All right, moving on to the next item. This, again, is something I personally use, which is the Leatherman Skeletal lightweight multi-tool with combo, knife, bottle opener, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I had, Swiss Army knives back in the day. And then when the Leathermans came out with the combo knives, I jumped full into that. I've got a full boat Leatherman with everything on it. The wife and kids got for me for Father's Day way back when. And, I cherish it, but because it was a gift, I don't want to take it out and lose it. This thing, I don't really care about. And honestly, I found for most of those tools, I don't really need them. This has got everything I need. It's got the pliers. It's got wire cutters. It's got a really good knife. I mean, look at that. Serrations for cutting through rope and stuff. Really sharp knife. And then, I've never really used the bottle opener thing myself, but the lanyard clip is nice. And then you've got 2 Phillips heads and 2 flat heads. The flat head is actually hidden right over in here. This thing is fantastic, and it does a great job, and it covers 90% of the stuff you're going to want to, whip out your tool and use it on. So at $47.95, nice two-tone kind of color. These things are fantastic. Now, if you want to get an accessory for mom or pop or whoever you're getting this for to go with it, why don't you consider getting one of these nice durable Kydex sheaths to go with it? Always makes it easier to carry around. Doesn't take up room in your pocket. These are $30. They come in an assortment of Skittles-like colors here. We can see they've got black, they've got carbon fiber black. Of course, we have the carbon fiber red, carbon fiber orange, and carbon fiber tan. Nice little accessory there to go with it. You can make it a 2-stage kind of gift. All right, next up we've got, I got to call this one out, and I realize this is kind of stretching the whole gift idea, but the VPAC OBD2 scanner, I've got a video coming up on this, and I was waiting to talk about it, but since we're talking about gift stuff, I had to slip this in here. This is something that they sent me to test. Is one of these things that, I get so many people asking me about OBD2 scanners. I don't even guarantee them a video. I'm like, send it. I may or may not actually do a video on it. And we're going to be doing a video on this. We used it to help out a buddy of ours, a younger guy who had an Isuzu that was having issues. We used it for battery testing on my buddy's MGs. We used it on his Land Rover, all sorts of stuff. This thing has been fantastic. When I bought my Suburban, I used this thing. I plugged it in, tested the battery, did all sorts of stuff. This thing's great. And now it's kind of funny though, because this has all of 2.5 stars. It's got 2 negative reviews. Apparently it doesn't have many reviews. One guy said he didn't like it because it wouldn't scan his vehicle. I don't know what was going on there. The other person said they didn't like it because they hadn't tested it yet. I don't know. All I can tell you is I used it. I liked it. I love the little battery adapter there, so I can actually check the battery. It tells me the cold cranking amps. It tells me what, basically the health of the battery, runs a full diagnostic on it. I thought that was a great additional usefulness kind of thing to a scanner like this. I don't know. Why don't you know? What do you think about scanners like that? Let me know down below. Anyway, full video on that coming up probably later in the week, next week kind of time. We got these. I'm only putting these in here because I'm constantly inundated by ads by these. I go on Amazon and they're a bestseller. For me, I'm not really one into wearing the superhero gauntlet magnetic kind of thing. But who's going to look at this picture? Who's going to put pliers on their wrist? I don't know. Maybe I'm missing out. This one, I admit there are times where trendy things come out and I maybe miss them. And people are like, you got to do this. Everyone's doing it. Apparently everyone's buying these. Are you using one of these? Is this, love the dog. I should have one on the dog too. Why don't you put the band on the dog and then you can just use the dog to caddy your stuff around. Anyway, I don't know. I'm confused by this thing, but if you've been buying it, let me know. And do you like it? I don't know, enough about that one. All right. Ulsa Tools Magnetic Socket Organizer. Okay, so I gotta tell you, back in the day, they sent me one of their socket organizers, and it was the one with the long pins on it. You just put them on there, and it was okay. It's okay. I should probably do a video on it. I wasn't blown away by it. It's just like everyone else out there who has one. But this setup, this is very similar. I think Craftsman's got a setup like this as well. But this is their magnetic socket holder. This is nice, neat, organized. Now, I do have the question about whether your sockets will fit into it, but, depending on what brand you buy. But you got to admit, it's got a really nice, clean look to it, right? And it comes in, of course, in your Skittles flavors. We got 4 of them, blue, black, green, and red. So anyway, I know socket organization is a big thing. People are very, very picky about it, but I guess, as I say, it looks pretty nice to me. All right, moving along, we've got the Mtools Pliers. Talking about people and their organizational trends. This thing, I'm not a fan, all right? I'm not a fan, but I know a lot of people are. In fact, we had one. We ended up giving it away in one of the giveaways. But this is a 2-pack, so you get 2 of these 10-inch organizers. So you can really go to town here and doing some wrench and, plier organization there in your drawers. If this is the kind of thing that you like to do, I mean, if it works for you, that's great. As I said, it's not my favorite way of doing it, but if, everyone has their own workflow, everyone has their own pattern. And if there's someone in your life who likes this sort of thing, this is a nice 2-pack for just under $30. So I wouldn't doubt, I wouldn't even think about picking this thing up. That's a no-brainer kind of thing there. All right, moving along, talking about organization. All right. This is really cool. So a lot of these DIY solutions are out there, but if you're looking for a gift for somebody, for the tool person in your life, by the way, if you are the tool person in your life, you could quietly send the link to this video to one of your loved ones with a hint kind of thing as what you're looking for. Hopefully you'll get the tool gift that you've been looking for all year. But anyway, this makes a great way to organize your power tools. Even if they're old DeWalt NiCad things. I kid. They're kids. Anyway, these are great setups here. You can put your tools down below, your miscellaneous stuff, your chargers up on top. This is one of the smaller ones. It's $60 for $99. You get the 5-tool charger set up there. This one's $100. It's the same thing. It's just bigger, allowing you, to store more of your tools. Also, we're really getting into the organization thing. Real classic here. We have the Carhartt Legacy tool roll. It comes in brown, it comes in gray, and it comes in black. If you're looking for that kind of vintage kind of gift, this is a real throwback kind of thing for people. You can use it for arts and crafts. You can use it for tools. You could carry your lunch in it probably if you wanted to. Anyway, $24.99 on that. Now, moving along, step ladders. We gotta talk about step ladders, and I gotta say I have this step ladder and I love it. Of course, I never really did know my real ladder. I couldn't help myself. Don't hate the bear. I couldn't help myself. Anyway, what I love about these is that they're less a ladder and a portable staircase. All right. I got big old Bigfoot kind of paws, size 15, and little treads. They're not friendly to me. And something like this, nice wide base, good rubber feet, nice and solid, nice grab rail at the front. It makes it really easy to get up and do the things you need to do and to be stable when you're doing it. All right. You can really feel like you've got firm footing no matter what you're doing. You can get up there and get stuff done and be safe about it. It's got the full weight capacity for, large grizzly bear types. And the fact is that this is going to be something you're going to use so many times. You're going to be like, I can't believe how often I use it. It really, my wife uses it. This thing travels around the house. I keep having to steal it back from her. All right. Talking about online stuff, this is one of the things that I do have that I thought was ridiculous at first when I first saw the ads for them. And these are these contour things. And then I tried one. I was doing some flooring, and that's exactly what this thing is great for. If you've got parts you're trying to replace on something you're trying to redo, maybe even some auto body kind of stuff, that's what this thing is great for. It'll conform to the size and shape of pretty much anything. At least at a small enough granular level that you can then make a replacement piece for it. And for $30, that's not a bad little setup there. It's got the little measuring on the side. It's got a nice little metal locking mechanism. This is a well-made piece. As I said, it works for me. I like it. And it's definitely in that stocking stuffer kind of category. All right, pegboards. If you've got a tool person in your life and they're just not getting organized, and one of the things I always talk about is I'm not a big fan of drawers. Now, for mechanics tools, I get it. Lots of small fiddly bits and stuff. But for your general kind of DIY kind of tools, construction tools, build fix kind of stuff, I like to have the stuff out within pause reach, just right there. And pegboards are a great way to do this. I know everyone's going to say French cleat systems. Yeah, French cleat. Anyway, pegboards have worked for years. They work great if you use good pegs and a good pegboard. Well, this is a great little pegboard setup system here. 4-foot metal pegboard. So, it looks nice. It looks clean. It has a really great finish to it. It comes with tons of accessories and such. And you're going to get this for $108. And this comes, talk about colors. Oh my gosh, have we got colors. Black and blue. We got all sorts of color combinations. Anything that you could possibly desire or even question, like, why would you do that? Really? Orange and red? I don't know, but they do it. That one's, oh no, just don't. But anyway, I like the black and blue. That's probably my favorite. I don't know, what color pattern is your favorite? Oh, black and red. That's nice too. Kind of goes with the color themes that we use a lot around here. All right. Anyway, and if you're going to get, and as I said, this does come with some accessories and such, but if you're going to get this, and besides the regular standard pegboard kind of accessories, I got to talk about Mtools. They sent me some of this stuff over here. I've been meaning to get it set up here. They've got some great stuff you don't normally think of for a pegboard, like this paper towel holder with a shelf above it. That's awesome. All right, and how about this? We got the screwdriver and wrench holder. Those we've kind of seen around before, but I really like this one. We got nice little tape measure, pencil, right angle, and then even better, the full shelf with a towel holder and whatnot. I like the look of this. I like this idea of expanding the use of a pegboard. Of course, they have the standard accessories. Of course, they're nothing standard about the way they do it. They do high-end stuff, nice rubber tips on them. They've got the locking, besides the part that goes in the peg, they've got the second tier locking peg so it doesn't bounce around. They've got some baskets and stuff to go with it. It's a nice set. That's $38. This system here is $20. This one's $31. So they're reasonably priced. Again, good stocking stuffer kind of things. All right, let's move along here. All right, this one's a classic. We gotta talk about this. This is, if you're looking for a gift for anybody in your life who's into tools or crafting or anything else, this is a classic. And I love giving gifts like this. It's a little bit pricier, $74, but this is one of these things that people are going to have for a long time. And it's a classic, and it's still around because it just does a great job at what it does. And this is just your standard industrial toolbox in the classic Homac brown wrinkle powder coat kind of thing here. You got the top tray to it. This is a great box, just a great box. And as I said, this is going to almost be an heirloom kind of piece because you're going to be able to pass this down to your kids and stuff like that. And if they take good care of it, it's going to last for a good long time. All right, moving on. We've got I don't know, this rack. Is that how it's pronounced? But this is pretty cool. Basically, it's a flashlight. Nice. Like your classic kind of flashlight you'd have maybe around the shop for stuff. But it also turns into an extending magnetic pickup. So one of the things when you're using a magnetic pickup item is it can be hard to see what you're trying to grab. Well, look at this. This thing's got the light on it. It's got the flexible head on it. This thing does it all, and it does it for $20. It's got, look at 20,000 ratings, and it's 4.7 stars. Look at those reviews. This thing is fantastic. And talk about a no-brainer kind of stocking stuffer for someone in your life. This is it. All right, we got a couple more here for you. The gear tie. Again, we're going back to the organization thing because I got to tell you, having an organized shop is a great thing. And getting the hoses and cords and stuff, the clutter, out of the way is a huge deal. And these things, zip ties are nice and all, but you got to cut it off after every use. This kind of thing, look, it has a wire inside it, but it's got the protection on it so it doesn't cut in or damage the things you're tying up. They're super reusable, and they're just great. They just work. And at $10, $11 for something like this, this is a great investment for getting the shop a little bit tidier. And last but not least, I got to talk about the grip mat. Now, we talked about these a couple years ago when they were first starting to come out. We saw them at the home tool show in Vegas a couple years back. And of course, everyone and their brothers now trying to knock them off these days. But this is the original grip mat here, silicone tray. The nice thing about these is not only do they keep your tools organized, but you can set them on about anything. They won't go anywhere. They'll conform to the surface. They won't damage the surface, and they keep your parts right there. They're fantastic, whether you're on a flat space or curved space. You can pick them up. You can go from one to the other. These things are great. Now, this is the 3-piece set for $120. They do have a small, medium, and large you can buy independently for different prices. So I'm not saying you have to buy all three of them, but I'm not saying you can't either. Anyway, those are some of your Christmas gift ideas here that you can get online. They can get shipped to you. They will be here by Christmas in most cases. Now, if you've got an idea that you think the bear missed out, that is just a perfect quintessential gift for the tool person or tool bear in your life, comment down below. We'd like to hear it, and we want to share it. If it's good enough, I'll even pin it so everyone else can see it. Anyway, also, speaking of gift ideas, you should still be able to get stuff from our merch store over at Teespring. It's linked down below. It's also, when you go to the main page here at the channel, it's got the growler mask, the bear mug, the t-shirts, the dog hoodie, the shine on mug, and the shine on sweatshirt. Now, over at our other store at denatools.com/store, it's a little late to order like the hats and the shirts and stuff, but the stickers, the magnets, as well as the copies of our book, the Home Destroyers Workbook, we're even offering a paperback signed by the author version for $10 there. So we can still get those out in time for Christmas for that hard to gift for person in your life. Anyway, that's all the bear has for you today. Hey, if you found value here, if you liked it, if you're entertained even, don't forget to chomp the old like button down there in the corner. It's right down there. Look at it. It's staring at you. Chomp it. While you're down there, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, do all that YouTube stuff you know how to do. You know how it goes. Anyway, till next time, that's all the bear has for you. You all take care. God bless. And as always, come on, say it with me. Shine on.